Okay, hi everyone. Welcome again. So today we're going to look at another machine. Today's machine called Fail. So I have the IP address of the target machine. I also have my own IP address here. So I've already started the port scanning. Um, as you can see, traditional port scanning, scanning all the ports with the comprehensive aggressive scanning. And running the default scripts. Okay, here is the output. So we can see that there is port 22 and we have the rsync service running on port 873. Good. So seems clear to me here. That's the main attack surface would be this new port, the 873. So what I did, I just went to Hacktrick online and look up some commands we can use with the rsync. So the one of the first command that we're going to run is it's an nmap scan to try to let's see it here. So ls user share nmap scripts rsync. So yes, the list modules probably could be a good option that enable us to enumerate some information from the rsync, including, for example, if there is any shared folders. So the way that we can run this, yes, absolutely we can run it. Just let me update the IP address just in case it is 195. 195. And it shows me that there is the Fox folder shared there. So the next command we can run will enable us to list all the contents. So again, I'm going to let me share with you what I'm looking for here. Okay. Okay. So that's the enumeration for rsync. We already used this module for the enumeration. What else can we do? Listing a shared folder. So in our case, so that would be the command that we're going to use, and we just need to customize it. So it will be something. So that's the command. We know that the shared folder in our case is Fox. We know that the IP address in our case is 19 or ends with 195.126. Yeah, so I think that's good. So let's go here and paste it and see what we'll get. Good. So inside here we can see that we listed basically the content of the Fox folder. Okay, that's interesting. Let's go back here. So copying file from, so we can download it as well. Let's try that, and just to prove the concept. So again, let's call it Fox on our machine, and it was Fox on the remote machine with the IP address. What was the port number? 873. So it is the same port number, 873 without the 0, and 195.126. Good. Now, yes, we can see that we have the Fox directory was downloaded. So that means these commands all work fine for so far with us. With the credential listing download, we did that part. So, is there anything else? Oh, okay. So it seems that we also could be able to upload content such as authorized keys, files for access use. Okay. So this is the command. So it will look something like this. Okay. So that is really interesting. So basically, what that means is that potentially we might be able to create keys, SSH keys locally, then try to upload them to the uh, target machine, and from there, then try to use these keys to access the SSH. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Then let's go to the. Let's try to create the keys first. So the first thing we need to do is to create the keys. Once we create the keys inside the SSH, I would try to upload the SSH. So let me create first this, then cd that. So that means I am here at the moment. And let's say SSH keygen, fabulous. That will do the trick for us. Root demos fail fox. Okay, let's. So where did we create it? Oh, we created it inside the fail. That's fair enough. I don't mind that. Yeah, let's do it this way. Let's just put it empty and empty again. So in here I have this. Let me now try to open the the key and copy it. I mean the public key and copy it as the authorized key. And finally, what I would try to do is I'll try to use this command or an updated form of it. So happy with this. Probably here we just put Fox. We just put Fox there. Even if we didn't, because we are going to upload the whole folder, I can leave it like that. And also, what was it? 195, 126. The username is Fox. And it was the SSH, so that's home user. That's if we have the directory, but we are already within the same directory. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and see if that will enable us, by running this command, will enable us to see what is that, files, attrs were not transferred. So we have an error here. No such files or directories. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so if I did just one step behind and did this, okay, now that's better. Now let me see the command that's enable us basically to list the content of Fox, and I can see that now we have the authorized key. What I can do now is I can try to SSH using Fox. Probably I need to move back to the SSH. That's where the key was created initially. And then probably from there, let me just confirm I have everything. I can SSH with Fox, with the ID and the IP address of the machine, which is 195.126, 195.126. And if everything is fine, I should be able to get a shell. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. It asked for the password of the, it asks for the password for the Fox. That shouldn't be the case. Okay. I'm trying to see if it is a permission issue. No, it's not a permission issue. I think that is an issue with the machine itself. So what I'll try to do, I will pause the video. I'll try to revert the machine just in case if it was an issue with the machine itself. Then I will try it again. Just bear with me.